2005 marked the beginning of a new Gear Up project, and with any new project we need to do a needs assessment of what exactly do the campuses need. One of the areas of need here in the Valley and all over the state and the country, in fact, is math. The scores in math could be a lot better than what they are, and we need to find ways to help students succeed in math. One of the things that we did with this new project is that we developed a partnership with Texas Instruments. Through this partnership, Texas Instruments will provide 12 days of extensive training to our teachers as a partner in this grant.
For the teacher, it allows them to monitor their class to see how they're progressing through a problem-solving situation by looking at their screen captures and seeing everyone's calculator all at one time.
The teachers have learned new technologies, they've learned new ways to teach with these technologies, and throughout they've added to their content knowledge about the teaching and learning of mathematics.
Our teachers are very excited about this training, and when they get excited about something, definitely the students are going to get excited about it.
TI Navigator gives the students the opportunity to see their math in action, use real data that they have acquired through experimentation, through investigation. It allows them to see it up on the big screen in front of the whole classroom and gives them a deeper understanding of the mathematics that the teachers are trying to get across to them.
And this just allows for the students to discover mathematics, when before it was just drilling process, and now it's more discovery, more questions, and I guess a lot of times it's student involvement. The students are really involved, and it removes a lot of the intimidation. So I know as a long-term teacher, I've been teaching for 17 years, I noticed that mathematics brings a lot of anxiety. Well, with the graphing calculator, with the NavNet, it removes a lot of those barriers, and so I'm able to allow the students, and the students feel more comfortable to explore.
They will know almost instantly, what it is that they're doing right, what it is that they're doing wrong, and in the same sense, it will also allow them to see how other students are thinking, because when the Navigator system is being used, pretty much all answers are displayed without their names, so they'll be able to see how other students are thinking, and if they're not making those mistakes, I think it'll reinforce the way that they're thinking in helping them prevent making those mistakes.
Students are motivated, they're excited, they're asking if they're going to get to use the Navigator system that day. And as a former teacher myself, I know that 50% of a teacher's job in any given day is to keep the students motivated. And the Navigator system and the graphing calculators do that. And by helping motivate the students, half of the job is done for the teacher already. The teacher has their attention and is able to then drill home those concepts that those students need help with.
I think these trainings were very effective. I think what I really enjoyed about them was, unlike other trainings where you go and you pretty much get lectured on over and over, and this is how it's going to be, this is how it's going to be. I think the fact that here we were actually getting hands-on training, we had the system in front of us, we were on the internet lab being shown how to download all these softwares, applications into our system, and being given the opportunity to actually practice it right then and there while being instructed. And then even more so, given the opportunity to prepare our own presentations, to share with our colleagues, and get some criticism on what we did right, what we did wrong, and so forth, to better, prepare us for when we deliver these types of presentations in the classroom.
Innovative in a wonderful way that will merely benefit teachers and students, and I think make the quality of teaching of mathematics so much better.
Our 7th grade teachers have just completed 12 days of training, and this marks the end of our first year with our Texas Instruments initiative. Next year we will work with 8th grade teachers and also supplement their campus technology inventories by providing graphing calculators and navigator systems for 8th grade teachers. And something to keep in mind is that Gear Up follows students all the way through high school. So we'll be leaving these middle schools as our students transition into the high school. But something that we are leaving behind is training for both 7th grade teachers and 8th grade teachers, and the technology to use with students to come many years beyond Gear Up at their campus.